Hi there, my name is Amanda Hill, and in this video I'm going to show you one of the ways you can make a little bit of extra income just by sharing all the cool stuff that you buy on Amazon. Now let's face it, most of us at some point in time have bought something on Amazon, but did you know that they were one of the biggest people for an affiliate scheme and have been doing it forever? So if you just Google Amazon affiliate scheme, then it will bring you to amazon.co.uk Associates Central. If you're watching this from another country, you can still do it. There'll be one for you as well. Now, if you just click through, you can set yourself up and then you can get all sorts of funky things just for sharing what it is that you're doing. Now, it's been a while since I've done it on this account, but hey, I do use a different one. Let's just go and have a click through and get started again with this one and see how much we can earn this year just by sharing the stuff we want. Now, if you're going to share, make sure it's stuff that people want and need, because if it's going to be of some use to them now, they're much more likely to click through. So right this minute, it's 18 degrees outside. We're coming up for varying holidays not far away, and people are going to need sun cream. So if you put it into their mind that that's what they're looking for, and you've got it online on Amazon anyway, then why don't you go and find the product you want? Now you can see all sorts of promotions going on here. Now you can earn extra for different things that you're promoting out. But your best and easiest wins are likely to be for products. So you can link to any page, you can have a banner, or you can have a product link, whatever it is that floats your boat. You can also have a little bar at the top, so every time you're on Amazon, you can then go and get the link that you need. So let's just pick a product line for now. So I mentioned beauty, and it can help you find general bestsellers, or you can find a name, or you can find a particular product. So let's just have a quick look through and see what it's offering us. Skincare's a good start. It's something that people do all the time, but let's just have a look and see what the general bestsellers are going to be. Now, this isn't going to get people to click through, but I just wanted to get it to show you what you're going to get. Now, if you've got the HTML here, then that is then going to be able for you to put into any website or wherever you want. Now, you probably just want the link. Now, you can link to any page that you want, or you can link to any product that you want. Now, I mentioned earlier that you could get a link. So SiteStripe will go at the top of the page for you, and then you can go on any product that you want to go and get that out there. Let me show you what that looks like. So I'm just on the Amazon page, and here is my SiteStripe. You do need to be very careful how you're going to say that. So let's just put in here, let's put after sun, because it's more likely that people are going to have an issue because they've forgotten to get sun cream. So let's just give them a helping hand for afterwards. So let's go and find this one here. And what I'm actually going to want is just the text. So I've just clicked on SiteStripe at the top. And that's all I want, just that one little link there. Now that is going to actually track back to me. So when somebody buys on it, then it will actually come back to me as whatever it is they're going to give me and reward me for sharing it. Now, usually I only say I've bought this, or this is really cool, or whatever, but it's down to you how you run your strategy. But just to show you where that link goes, straight back to the page. Now you can go and pick any number of products that you can share, and it could be stuff that somebody has asked for. Now, if they're very savvy, what they'll do is go and find the product they're going to recommend. They're going to get the link for you and they're going to give it to you. You're already buying it because you know you want it. They've already recommended it because they've had it and love it. And both of you are going to win. So go and set yourself up as an Amazon associate and get sharing your links whenever you see anyone who is asking for help with something you've already bought or something you'd like to recommend. Hopefully that's helpful to you.